Welcome to our channel. AutoPay ensures your bills are paid on time every month, helping you avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Here's how to set it up safely. Step 1. Review all your recurring bills and identify which ones you want to automate. Utilities, insurance, streaming services, and loan payments are typically good candidates for AutoPay. Step 2. Verify the billing amount is consistent each month. Fixed bills like insurance or subscription services are ideal for AutoPay, while variable bills like utilities may need monitoring. Step 3. Choose a primary checking account for AutoPay that always maintains sufficient balance. Using one account simplifies tracking and ensures you don't miss payments due to insufficient funds. Step 4. Set up AutoPay through each biller's website or app by logging into your account and looking for automatic payments or AutoPay in the billing section. Step 5. Select your payment method, either bank account transfer or credit card. Bank transfers avoid transaction fees, while credit cards might offer rewards points. Step 6. Choose the payment date, ideally a few days after your paycheck deposits. This ensures adequate funds are available and provides a buffer for verification. Step 7. Review confirmation details including the payment amount, date, and payment method. Save or screenshot the confirmation for your records. Step 8. Create a calendar reminder to check your bank account before each AutoPay date. This allows you to verify sufficient funds and catch any billing errors before payment processes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.